How to log in with Discord token. The first things first is you won't be able to do it directly on the Discord application or on the Discord client. What you need to do is you need to access the Discord web. Simply open up any preferred web browser and head into web version of Discord on its login page. Now once you're here, you just have to access your developer options or developer tools by tapping the F12 on your keyboard or just heading into the three dots at the top right, and then go into more tools and then developer tools. And once you're here, make sure that you're currently under these option here that says application, and then just go straight into local storage and hit on your current URL, which is Discord. Now scroll away all to the bottom part of local storage, and then you should be able to edit these two boxes right here. Now the first box, you just have to name it as token. Then on the second box, you just have to enter your token credentials and make sure that it is inside the quotation mark. And once you hit on enter, it will automatically log you in if your token is valid. So that's it. That's how you log in with Discord token.